Bharat Forge, led by Baba Kalyani, enters the light tank domain, yet its design approach remains unclear. Whether they'll adopt DRDO's design, create their own, or seek collaboration is uncertain. This announcement coincides with DRDO's Project Zorawar, with L&T reaching a milestone in light tank development. Bharat Forge's entry raises questions about potential collaboration or competition in meeting the Indian Army's light tank requirements. Adani Defence gears up to deliver 2 pivotal weapon systems to the Indian Army. The UAV-launched precision-guided munition, ULPGM, jointly developed with DRDO, offers unparalleled versatility and jamming-proof technology. Alongside a very short-range air defense system, VSHORADS, a manpad developed indigenously, promises advanced capabilities with its miniaturized reaction control system and integrated avionics, bolstering India's modernization efforts. DRDO's Research Center Amidst unveils Frequency Selective Surfaces, FSS, Radomes for India's AMCA program. These metamaterial-based enclosures selectively allow radar frequencies crucial for communication and navigation while blocking enemy radar signals, enhancing the aircraft's stealth. FSS Radomes ensure operational effectiveness by maintaining transparency for essential functions while reducing the AMCA's radar signature, marking India's strides in stealth technology. Bengaluru-based Kadet Defence Systems has introduced a new series of loitering aerial munitions tailored for the Indian Armed Forces. These systems enhance India's aerial defense capabilities alongside the planned upgrades to the Sukhoi 30 MKI fleet, reflecting the nation's commitment to bolstering its military readiness and strategic deterrence. The Indian Army is poised to enhance its surveillance capabilities along the Pakistan border with the acquisition of the Hermes 900 Starliner drone, dubbed Drishti-10. Supplied by Adani Defence Systems, the drone will bolster monitoring efforts along the western border, with delivery scheduled for June 18th. This acquisition aligns with India's strategic defense initiatives and Make in India policy.